Doing laundry is an essential task that can be simplified with some preparation. Start by gathering your supplies and sorting your clothes into piles based on fabric type, heavy items like jeans and sweatshirts in one, lighter fabrics such as t-shirts in another, and delicates like lingerie in a separate pile. Additionally, separate your laundry by color into whites, lights, and darks to prevent color bleeding. Use the appropriate detergent for your washing machine type, treating stains promptly with a stain remover or detergent. Follow your machine's instructions for adding detergent and bleach, ensuring you use the correct amounts. Choose the right wash cycle based on the fabric's needs, with normal settings for sturdy items, permanent press for wrinkle-prone fabrics, and delicate cycles for fine materials. By following these steps, laundry can become a more manageable and efficient chore.